remember the tireless efforts of our faculty, the unwavering support of our administration, and the dedication of our students.
Moving all up front, taking virtually granted, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the addition of the Wall of Excellence, the
Congratulations to everyone, and thank you so much for working so hard. Thank you for your full support to our leadership and to our administration. Agio Ipsu, God bless Ifugao State University. Merry Christmas!
Our President, our Vice President,